In this next video, I'm going to go over the Kodak Perfect Page advanced imaging setup features that are available with most Kodak scanners. To access the image processing features of the scanner, click on the scanner icon located in the system tray, then click on Configure. This will bring up the Smart Touch application window. In the Scan As section, click on the Settings button. This will open the Kodak Settings shortcut window. Click on any of the settings shortcuts and then click on Settings. At the top of the window, you will see that the side is set to both. This means that whatever changes you make on any of the image processing tabs will be applied to both sides of the document. Clicking on the Advanced Image Setup icon will bring up the Advanced tab window. Under Input Document Is, you can select two-sided, one-sided front, or one-sided back. If you want to set up different image processing features for each side of the document, for example, if you want the front side to be color and the rear side to be black and white, then click on different settings per side to select it. Another advanced feature is combined front and rear images. Typically for a document, one image is created for the front side and one for the rear side. Turn this option on if you want one image that contains both the front side and the back side of the document. There are 4 configurations to choose from: front on top, front on bottom, front on left, and front on right. For images per side, use this option to configure how many images the scanner will create for a side based on your imaging selections. There are 3 options to choose from. 1 indicates you want the scanner to create one image. 1 based on document content indicates you want the scanner to automatically detect if the document is color, grayscale, or black and white. Multiple indicates you want the scanner to create more than one image. If you select either based on document content or multiple, then the Images to Configure option will be available. You can use the arrows to change the order that the images will be delivered to the scanner. And you can also change the image type. If under Images per side, 1 based on document content is selected, a Content Settings tab will appear. Use this tab to set up the amount of content needed to determine what type of image the scanner will create. Side determines which side the sensitivity settings are applied to. Under Sensitivity, there are 4 options to choose from: Low, Medium, High, and Custom. The sensitivity settings determine the amount of color that needs to be present in a document before it will be saved as either a color or grayscale image. Use the custom settings to manually adjust the color amount and/or the color threshold. There is also a Learn feature that allows you to calculate your settings based on representative color documents. Now I'm going to go through an example of how to configure a scan session that has a mix of color and black and white documents with information on both sides. In addition, I want the scanner to detect whether the page is color or not, and then output either a color or black and white image based on that. On the Smart Touch application window, under Scan As, click on the Settings button. On the main setting window, select the setting shortcut that closely describes the desired output, which for this example I'm going to use Color Perfect Page. Then click on Settings. Click on the Advanced Image Setup icon to display the Advanced tab. Under Input Document Is, select two-sided. Under Images per side, select 1 based on document content. Now click on the Content Settings tab. Select the sensitivity option. For this example, I'm going to use Medium. Now click on Done to return to the Image Settings window. Notice that the Side option now has 2 entries, both black and white, 1-bit, and color 24-bit. Starting with both color 24-bit, make any other adjustments to the color image settings on the rest of the tabs of the image setting windows. For example, adding hole fill or sharpening. Select both black and white 1-bit and make any other adjustments to the black and white image settings. When you are finished, click on Home to return to the main scanner window, and then click on Save to save your selections to the shortcut. This concludes the Perfect Page Advanced tab features. Be sure to watch more Kodak Smart Touch application videos for more information.